Hey there, how it's going? In this video I'm going to show you how to deploy a WhatsApp bot on our NZ hosting panel. First thing first, you need to create an account on Terrain. The panel will look like something like this bar. Alright, let's get started. Head over to the toolbar of the top left of the screen, click on server and then create server. And the name field, you can enter whatever you like. Let's go with Randy for the example. Now, in the software option, you will see our bench of bot category. Click on American bot. I'll cover the other upcoming tutorial, so stay tuned for that. Once you select the American bot, choose the smallest memory option and create server. You will need to wait about 10 seconds depending on your internet connection. Click on manage. I forgot. So you need to wait about 5 minutes for the server to install properly. Okay, that's working perfectly, bro. Now go to the fry category option and search for the config.json fry. Now put your number here, bro. The number to the one you want to use as your bot, bro. I had my number, and here click save content. Now let's switch to the console category, bro. So hit the start option and wait for 5 minutes, bro. Oh damn, shit, bro, it's working fast, man. Now your paying code is here, bro. Now go to your WhatsApp and click on three dot and put the code, bro. That's all, bro.